Been exposed to Lumineers over quite some time. I would probably say over 15 years or so. We want to impact and empower 10,000 lives within the next 7 years. Lumineers, DenMat, it allows me to do that. My production per hour before I started doing the Lumineers were probably more, maybe around about $400 or $500 per hour. My production per hour right now is closer to $1,200 or $1,500 per hour. I have patients that we change their smile and they're crying or they're so elated, and this is something that they've been thinking about for years, all their life. And then I'm telling them through DenMat in the lab and my team, like, we can change it in a couple days.